Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a super exclusive and a super fantastic Android widget for your Android home screen. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So magic widget photo widget. So this widget application allows you to large number of widget photos or photo widgets or many other widgets. You can see there is a lot of collection, lot of themes. You can see there is a lot of animation widgets also available here. So you can choose any animation widget. For an example, you can see a lot of Iron Man technological themed widget too. Here the widget set here, this will come with a widget set like a calendar, clock and many more things. And you can also have a new Christmas seasonal widgets and also for the different categories of widgets theme set. And you have also wallpaper set, then you have a wallpaper set, widget set, and here you can see what are the widgets that you have been downloaded now. So I just going to select some widget. How to download it, I just going to show. Just click here. If you click it, it will have ask you to pro version, but you can add you can use it by skipping the ad, and you can place on the home screen. You can see there is a home screen. The pro version gives you can easily download, but in a free version it needs to have some ad on the app. So the widgets can be placed by choosing the home screen. You can see there is a lot of widget sizes according to the widget theme. So I just choosing this widget. So by opening this, just tap here and you can select the widget from your app. You can easily place on your home screen. I used in my Poco launcher. If you use in Nova launcher, the size of the widgets can be resized, so it's easier to make widgets fit on the home launcher. So try this widget and make your home screen better and greater.
Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about the new applications that are launching on the Android on the Play Store, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.